Hello my friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a pickle type that is not known much. Here we have potatoes and I'm gonna prepare potato pickles for you. It's pretty practical, becomes ready in a short time and it's very simple, so everyone can do that. Classy recipes, gushing health from the inside, adders of enough and balanced man, center of wise and conscious woman. Onat Oktaş TV. Let's see what we need. Of course we need jar, water, Himalayan or rock salt. We can use a probiotic capsule, but this is optional, or we can use kefir, all pickle juice without lemon and vinegar, etc. We have sour cherry leaves and wine leaves, as you see. You can also use cherry leaves too. Besides these ingredients, we have garlics, peppers and salt. I know I showed the salt, but I just wanna say that I grind them and shake it with the water, and this is how I prepare the salt water. And there are potatoes, as you see. By the way, these potatoes are boiled. We are doing these pickles with cooked potatoes. I just want to say this just in case. Let's continue. These potatoes are almost completely unpeeled. Just some sections are removed because they were quite hard to clean. But if you clean and cook them well enough, they are edible too, like watermelon rinds. They have also some benefits, so why we waste time with separating them away instead of taking advantage of it? That's the way I do. We can use it as whole, so it's practical and includes some extra benefits too. Yes, let's prepare it. We are slicing the potatoes and putting into the jar. Dice or slice them as you wish. I'm putting it like this. I put the garlic. I can prepare these with more spaces than usual pickles. Let's put our garlics too. And we're gonna add also 2 peppers. I put them directly. If you wanna feel much more potatoes in the jar, you can slice them smaller than I did. I'm adding 1 or 2 little garlics. Yes, looks like we have almost no more space. That's enough. No need to force more. I'll prepare 1 more. Let's add the peppers too. Of course we can slice the peppers, but this pickle will be ready in a short time, so I'm not forcing myself for filling more and more ingredients in it as I usually do. But it's sensible to fill more usually, because by that way you can use it longer. I'm adding garlic again. I add 5 dessert spoon salt per 1 liter water. Little bit more salt is okay too, no matter. I'm really satisfied with the salt water ratio. Let's shake this. And we are pouring the salt water, my friends. And we are covering the top with the wine leaves. Oh, sorry, sour cherry leaves this time. Let's try something different and see the results. We'll see how it's gonna be. I suddenly changed my decision, but both are suitable. I'm pressing this way. Okay, my friends. By the way, on preparation of my previous video, my camera's battery died, so I couldn't finish the watermelon rind pickle video. I put some sugar in the little jars. And this was going to be the plain watermelon rind pickle without any additional probiotic capsule or something like that at that video, so I'm pouring the remaining salt water in this one. Let me choose which leaf I'm gonna use. Let's use wine leaves on this one. I'm pressing as possible. Enough. And my friends, let's do the finishing section by adding the probiotic capsule to the remaining salt water and shaking it. I poured the powder from the inside of the capsule into the bottle. Shake again. We are pouring this into the jar. The quantity fits very well. Just before overflowing, I'm covering it with the sour cherry leaves again, with the same way. Okay folks, the process is done. Probably it will be ready to consume after 1 week in normal conditions. Plus you can give it more time by extending up to 2 weeks. This is very practical and fast. 1 or 2 weeks later it will be ready. That's the beauty of it. That's why I love this. It's easy. There is no need for much effort. I'll see you in the next video. Continue to following me. Take care.